It's my flipping van life now. You don't want to be in my video? Hello.
Hello.
We are at Goldsboro Antique Mall in Goldsboro, North Carolina. We had a great time in Florida, and we are happy to be in North Carolina.
Super happy.
We're having a blast. We did the Buc-ee's, we did the south of the border, but we're finally going in an antique mall. I'm kind of detoxing, I'm not gonna lie. Look at Dagny's necklace, everybody.
Yes.
I know, so good. And the ring, show the ring, so good. So this is pretty cool because this is the first antique mall I went to when I started YouTube.
Oh, it's like full circle.
Full circle, and now we're all here, and we're gonna go in and see what we can find. What do we have here? Viking art glass dish, 20 bucks. That's kind of cool. It's like a blue Viking flower. It's kind of heavy though. I'm gonna show this to Dagny. I'm so excited to be here. I kind of like this. Look, it's a brass shrimp dish. It's really cool to be here because the first time I came here, I didn't have as good as an idea of what I was looking at as I do now. But this is really weird. What is going on here? Is this a reprint? Swim Girl, 15. Nope. That's legit. That's pretty fantastic. I kind of love that. Dagny told me to get it. I don't think she's wrong. Look at the ones in the back too. Her face is great. Now what's happening with this hand? It's like the hand of the hour. $10 each. Perfume bottle. Big bling. I like these snake pins, even though they're contemporary. I'm assuming they look contemporary. Look, they got the reproduction jadeite, but it's like 20 bucks for the butter dish. That's fun. Well, that's kind of phenomenal. Look at the graphic on this. Dog and cat outdoor repellent. 40 bucks though. I love that cat. Look at this like frog ashtray thing. 6 bucks, that's fun. We're getting into the knickknacks. Oh my gosh. DeRosa Ricananda. I know I said it wrong. $19. And then look at this one. Oh my gosh. That's so fun. They're 19 each. Knickknacks. Look at all this stuff. I love it. This is even better than I remembered. Look at this guy. Enesco. $8. Clay Tiger. Well, he's kind of great. I think I might need that for my cat sale. And then look at this little girl. Is she holding a cat? Stop. That's so good. $7. Vintage Cowgirl Bank. She is holding a cat. And then the New York Apple. 6 bucks. Yeah, I like the cowgirl. Her face is a little off. It's a good buy. I could easily do it, but I'm kind of like rah, from the road. So what is happening over here though? That's not what I thought at all. Wow, talk about, see, I told you guys I'm having a moment. That almost, that looked like something way different from afar. What's going on over here? And I love the chalkware Kewpie. Chalkware Kewpie. Somebody, it's Kewpie doll prize. That's adorable. Some baby. That's fantastic. 28, that's not a bad price. A little bit more than I'd like to have invested though. I'm kind of into this orange necklace. That's really funky. I think I'm just gonna get it. It's really fun and it's only 4 bucks. That giant blue glass hand is only 26. What else do we have? What is that? Looks like a brain. Hey, look at that. That's really neat. I don't think that's what I want it to be though. It's probably Chinese. Watch, someone's gonna be like, what? Got a lot of paperweights, but this is the one that kind of sticks out. Made in Finland, $12. What's going on there? It's a little strange. Keys, more jewelry. Hey, look. These are Repop, but they're only 15 bucks. That's a great deal. I've had them recently. I feel kind of tempted to pick them up just because. I'm gonna keep going and see what. Oh my gosh, what is that? Is this Sealed with a Kiss? Zebra by Heather. Blue Sky. But it's so fun. Blue Sky Zebra. Look at its eyes. That's fabulous. So I did go ahead and look up that zebra, and there's a bunch on eBay right now. It's just kind of sitting, so I'm gonna pass on that. I'm still thinking about those jadeite salt and pepper shakers, but sometimes I like to have really different stuff when I'm on trips like this. But what is this up here? It's kind of weird. It's not as red as I wanted it to be. And then the pink deer powder box, that's 12 bucks and 20% off. That's a great deal. And then they have a little frog section. You've got to kiss a lot of toads before you meet your handsome prince. That's funny. Oh, that's adorable too. Too bad it has a broken flower on it. A little turtle pin cushion. Made in Japan, $5. I feel like Dagny would like that. Where is Dagny? I'm about to go find her. Ooh. That's kind of fun. It's not exactly what I hoped it was, but let's see, what else do they have? These are fabulous. Shoe clips. Have fun. Hey, check that out. I was on my way to go find Dagny. Black glass head. That's pretty cool. 50 bucks. Is that black or blue? It's black. I know it's like, no, it's blue. No, it's black. It's kind of cool. I'm a little underwhelmed now. I spent too much time on it. It's contemporary. I'm looking for that special something. Here's some more bracelets. That's kind of fun with the dots. Well, I kind of have to get that. That's 4 bucks. That's kind of neat. It's probably like made in India or something. And then what's the studded one? $3. But it's studded. People will like that. I'll get that. And then what's this vase? $11. Hey, look, it's my outfit. That's so funny. Long sleeve coveralls, new. Small. I think they're like a men's small though. Kind of awesome. Just saying. Look, large Kokeshi set. That's fun. Is that a lion by Nina? I can't say I've ever seen that. It's huge. That's really cool. It's like one of the only contemporary things I genuinely am super into. Let's see. Some jadeite plates. That's a fun little cat figurine in there. That looks like Ceramic Art Studios almost. No, it's like a Japan knockoff of one. What do we have back here? Hello, Sailor. 34, but 30% off. Huh. 369. Yeah, that's still a little close. It's in really great condition though. What's the story back here? All kinds of jadeite. $28.95. Yeah. I'm telling you, those other ones were a really good price. I think I'm gonna go back and grab them. Look, lucite grapes. What is this one? That's kind of cool. Amethyst quartz tree. Yeah, I wonder if Dagny saw these. Oh my gosh, look at these Art Deco globes. How fun. Pair for $125. My gosh, get out. Yeah, I'm gonna go back down the first aisle because I'm getting that weird feeling like I missed something. So I'm gonna retrace my steps. What's that up here? Oh, that's a repop, but it's really fantastic. How much is it? Oh, come on. Come on. Work with me. 25. Yeah, I love the texture dots on that, but at 25 repop, can't do anything with that. That would cost a lot in shipping materials. Oh, I think I found another Dagny item. Oh, Dagny. $7 and 20% off. Yeah, that's a super good deal. Snagged. Is that a little Orphan Annie Nodder? Hold on, let me put this down. It looks like it is. It is. Wait. Is it a nodder or is it a perfume? No, it's a nodder. That's fantastic. 24 and 20% off. And then, like, what is this? It's just some weird pewter thing, but I love the subject matter. $7, 20%. Well, Dagny already found some, but I found another pair. Praying hands. I have like 1 point, you have 2. Yeah. And I found a weird lucite paperweight that looks like it's got a sad dandelion in it. A sad dandelion. Sad dandelion. And amongst this shelf of various figurines, I see this lady riding a fish for $3. Bisque, made in Japan. I'm assuming, right? Looks Japanese. Well, for $3, I feel like you kind of can't go wrong with that. Psych, it's got a crack. Cats on motorcycles. That's actually a really good set of salt and pepper shakers. 22. Dang. These are really funny too. Look at these guys. I know, they're 22 though. Womp womp.
Weirdo duckies.
They are weird.
We just got here and we're a little scared.
Wait, look, south of the border. That's fabulous. Pedro. Our good old friend. Oh wait, here's some more cats that I didn't see. Frogs. Those are cool. 18. They really like their cats here. Yeah, I like that all the cats are more expensive than everything else. Well, I see something in here. Check this guy out. Ted Arnold, $30. Wow, he is fantastic. If that was for my personal use, I wouldn't think twice about that, but I don't think I can get anything out of that for resale. Look at this planter. It does look like me. Unfortunately, it's super broken. And 24. I really like this guy. He's fantastic. And then a Christmas cat mug. $4.50. I don't know why my Christmas cats didn't do as well as I thought they would. Let's see. Is there anything else I need to know back here? I think I'm back where I left off. And then look what Dagny found me. She found me one of the Teenage Dancing Girls. It's $8 and 30% off. It was really fun to come back here, especially with Dagny. I'm excited to go take her to the Whirligig Park in Wilson. See you guys later.